Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select notification preferences on the Totaljobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the fourth option down below, which is job alerts. After that, click on this settings button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can select whether you would like to receive notifications for suggested jobs based on your activities. So tap on the recommendations button. And if you want to turn on the recent searches function, again tap on this button to receive notifications for suggested jobs based on your recent searches. And if you want to get notifications for saved jobs that will expire soon, you should turn on the expiring save jobs function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.